All right, in this section, we are going to learn how we can use the calculator to perform some bond valuation. So we have an example. We are asked to consider a bond with a face value of $100, an annual coupon rate of 8%, a yield to maturity of 6%, semi-annual, and a maturity date of December 31st, 2030. Assuming a settlement date of March 1st, 2024, calculate the bond's accrued interest and full price. So we are asked to assume 30 360 day count conversion. Now, for us to calculate this, we are going to use the bond worksheet. Okay, so we'll press second function, we'll press 9. Now, once we have pressed second function 9, we are going to press second function, we'll press CEC. Okay, so that clears the memory of this worksheet. We can start imputing our variables. Now, the first thing we are going to see is the settlement date. Okay, so this is how we are going to impute the settlement date. Okay, so in the question, we have that the settlement date is March 1st, 2024. So this is how we are going to impute this in our calculator. Okay, so we have to impute the month first. So we are going to press 3. We'll press dots in the calculator. Okay, the next thing we are going to put is the day. Okay, so since it's March 1st, we'll press 0, 1. And the final thing we are going to put is the year. So we put the last 2 digits in the year. So we'll press 24. Then we'll press enter. Okay, so we have entered the settlement date. We'll press arrow down. We are asked to put the coupon rate. So for this bond, the coupon rate is 8%. So we'll press 8. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. The next thing we are going to see in the calculator is arrow DT. Okay, so that is the redemption date for the bond. Now, the redemption date we are giving for this bond is December 31st, 2030. Okay, so this is how we are going to put it in the calculator. You put the month first. So we'll press 12. We'll press dots. Now, 31st. So we are going to put 31. And the final thing we are going to put is the year. Okay, so we'll put the last 2 digits in the year. So we'll press 30. We'll press enter. Then we'll press arrow down. Now, once we press arrow down, we see arrow V, which is the redemption value. So we leave that at 100. We'll press arrow down. We see 360. Okay, so this means that the calculator is already in the 30 over 360 day count conversion. We'll press arrow down. We see 2 over Y. So that 2 over Y is 2 coupon payments per year. Okay, so since we are already told in this example that the bond pays coupon semi-annually, we leave it at 2 over Y. We'll press arrow down. We see the yield. So the yield given to us in this question is 6%. So we'll press 6, we'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. Now, once you press arrow down, we'll press compute. So we have that the flat price of the bond is 111.06. We'll press arrow down. We'll see the accrued interest, AI. So we have 1.356 approximately. Okay. Now, in order to get the full price of the bond, we're going to take the flat price plus the accrued interest. So if we add the flat price to the accrued interest, we're going to have that the full price of this bond is 112.416. So this is how we can use the calculator to compute the accrued interest, the flat price, and the full price of a bond.